Hi, good morning students. So in the previous class, I was discussed the concept of area bounded by a simple curve and a line. Okay, so in this class, I would like to explain the one more concept, that is the last concept in this chapter, area between two curves. What is that? Area between two curves. So what is this area between two curves means? Let us we consider a small curve like y is equal to x square and x is equal to y square. Let us we consider the two curves like y is equal to x square and x square is equal to y. Take one small example. For example, we should take the area between the two curves means y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So these are the two curves like y square is equal to x and x square y is equal to y. So here the first one, y square is equal to x. So y square is equal to x means the curve is on positive of the x-axis, means that comes the diagram like this. This is the curve like y square is equal to x. If you have to take x square is equal to y, means the curve is on positive of the y-axis. The parabola comes in like this, upward. Okay, na? So this is called y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So these are the two curves. So here our concept is area between two curves. Area between two curves means let us we consider like two curves like y square is equal to and x square is equal to y. If you have to join these two curves, so take one area that is called, for example, if I am taking these two curves in the same plane, if you have to take these two curves in the same plane, so shall we take the two curves? First we have to consider the generally like y square is equal to x means it is on positive of the x-axis like x, x dash, y, y dash with respect to the origin O. Clear? First ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ y square is equal to x ಅನ್ನ ಕರ್ವ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ which is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax like ಆ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ y square is equal to x ಅನ್ನ ಕರ್ವ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ the curves comes like this. So this is called y square is equal to x. Similarly, we should take another curve in the same plane like x square is equal to y. This x square is equal to y means the curve is on positive of the y-axis, or this curve which is in the form of like x square is equal to 4ay. So this is the standard form of equation of parabola. Okay na? So ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ it will be forms or comes like this. So this is the curve x square is equal to y. So just we check once again the curve, the two curve, one is y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So these two curves in the same plane we have or we get one of the area. Is it right? So this is the required area. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಟೂ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ನ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾನ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ two curves. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ. ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ y² = x ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಲೈಕ್ x² + y² = a². ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀಜನನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ y² = x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದ ಕರ್ವ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದ x ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. x² + y² = a² ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 0. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ O. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ y² = x ಅಂತ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಲೈಕ್ x² + y² = a². This is the equation of a circle and equation of parabola. Equation of parabola ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ನ ನಡುವೆ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾನ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್, ಐದರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್ maybe, or parabola and circle, or in between two parabolas. So these are the concept to cover like area between two curves. Clear? So ಈ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ let us we take a small example. Before we taking the example, first we should write some explanations related to area between two curves. See, suppose we consider two curves. Like y = f of x is one of the curve, and take one more curve y = g of x. Let us we take the two curves. One is y = f of x and g of x, comma, where f of x is greater than or equals to g of x. This is the conditions to taking the curves in the interval, closed interval a comma b, First up, the points of intersection of these two curves means like f of x and g of x are the two curves between the interval like x is equals to a and x is equals to b. In the intervals x is equals to a and x equals to b. These are the intervals. Clear? Finally, the area of the region, the area of the regions bounded by the curves can be written as area A is equals to integral of limit a to b f of x minus g of x, f of x minus g of x, difference between the two curves like f of x minus g of x into dx. So this is the formula for to finding the area between the two curves. Once again, the area A is equals to integral of A to B f of x minus g of x into dx. By using this formula, we have to take one small example. This is very important for your examination also. So ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು. ಆದರೂ ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು 4 to 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದೇನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ 3 or 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Find the area of the region, find the area of the region bounded by the two parabolas, like y is equal to x square and y square is equal to x. I already informed you when I taking the examples like y is equal to x square and y square is equal to x, how the area will be formed from using these two equal curves. Okay, so solution, please try to understand the problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the two curves like y is equal to x square and y square is equal to x. ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Finally we have to find out the area between the two curves. Clear? See, first we should take the diagram. Okay, first y is equal to x square and x square is equal to y. ಎರಡು ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ containing x and y axis with respect to the origin O, like this. Okay, x dash, y dash with respect to the origin O. Clear? First ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ y is equal to x square or x square is equal to y. The parabola is on positive of the y axis. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕರ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ತಗೋತೀವಿ. y square is equal to x. ಸೊ y square is equal to x ಥರ ಆದರೆ x square is equal to y. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ so this curve will be finished. Next we take y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x means which is in the form of y square is equal to 4ax, the standard form of parabola. The positive of the x axis, the curve will be taking as positive of the x axis, like this we should take. So this is the curve. Y square is equal to x and the first one x square is equal to y. So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ we should find out the area, this one, ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯೂಶುವಲಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 0,0 ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಲೇಟರ್. ಸಿ, the point of intersection, the points of intersection of these two parabolas or the first point, corner point 0, 0 with respect to the origin antandre, and take one more coordinates, the point A, which you should consider the point A, the coordinate is 1, 1, because of if you have to substitute in the place of x is equal to 1 means y is also 1. Similarly, y is equal to 1, x is also 1. So that's why you should take the coordinates 1, 1. Clear? So after that, y square is equal to x, the curve y square is equal to x, or y is equal to square right side shift madidre we get to root x, which is also equals to, this is the first function f of x, and we take another curve like y is equal to x square, which is equals to, this is consideration as g of x. So here where f of x is greater than or equal to g of x in the interval, closed interval 0, 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 to 1, from the limit 0 to 1. Here both x and y axis. Clear? So after that, the required area, therefore the required area A is equal to, the required area A is equal to integration of 0 to 1 from the curve f of x minus g of x from the limit 0 to 1 into dx. This is the formula for to finding the area between the two curves. That the area or the required area A is equal to, from the limit 0 to 1, integration of 0 to 1 ಏನು ಲಿಮಿಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ into dx. After that, which is equal to the area A is equal to, see, if you have to integrate this function means first one root x or integration of 0 to 1, this root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 into the minus x square into dx. Okay, now integrating this function, the area A is equal to integration of 0 to 1, don't write again integration, you just write the bracket, x to the power of 1 by 2, integration is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Next, minus x square, integration is x cube divided by 3 from the limit 0 to 1. Next, area A is equals to, if you have to simplify this equation means we get 1 by 2 plus 1 denominator, that can be written as in the numerator 2 by 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2, because of if you have to take the LCM, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2, minus x to the power of 3 by 3 from the limit 0 to 1. Now we should take the applying the upper limit and lower limit. So here the upper limit is 1 and the lower limit is 0. First we should take the upper limit. Area A is equal to 2 by 3. Now we substitute the upper limit in the place of x is equal to 1. 1 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 cube by 3 This is the upper limit. Next we substitute the lower limit. The lower limit is 0. If you have to substitute, it means we get the total term is 0. That's why you should take the 0. That's the lower limit. Next, area A is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 by 2 value is also 1. 1 cube value 1 minus 1 by 3. Clear? So, which is implies the area A is equals to, what about LCM? LCM is 3, right, as it is same denominator, and the numerator 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, which is also equals to 2 minus 1 means 1 by 3. Therefore, the required area, area A is equals to area between the two curves, like y is equal to x square and y square is equal to x. We get the required area A is equals to 1 by 3 square in it. 1 by 3 square. This is the required answer. So up to now illivargu problem na solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Understood? Please try to understand once again the same problem. This is very important for your examination also. Okay? Take a screenshot or write down. Okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಟು ಲೋಯರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, next we go for another problem, the second one problem. This is also very important. Please mark it. Find the area lying above the x-axis, x-axis and included between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8x and inside of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. This is the second problem. Please try to understand. So here we have to find the area lying above the x-axis, and included between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8x. Nodi, in this circle the center is given. Clear? The center is given. You should find out what about center in this equation, x square plus y square is equal to 8x. Clear? And inside of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the curve is on positive of the x-axis. First we should find out the center of the circle. Write the circle equation once again, x square plus y square is equal to 8x. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ x ಅನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲೈಕ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8x ಮೈನಸ್ 8x ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು. y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4x ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದ ಕರ್ವ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ write the solutions. Okay na? Make it copy. Thank you so much.